Yewra enkyere Note asantefo ba konya kese so otumfo osai tutu atoso mienu oka bibi ewo manhia nso abaye na wotwe mienu ni yewra asem na oka ye no yewra mammo akira Ghana fo bente ase saa asem ya opanyin kase oka ye no nokre ni ya na emu bi oyeye ya ase hene kase oka bibi sa na ebo akire na yewra onye nokre manya ho kwame na ne nananum ahia na me ka kire Ghana fo a otumfo osai tutu atoso mienu asante hene prekope no na sem o kan se court abua sa asem no ekire nipa kra odi sampa hene no enye nokre na nokre ni nie minim de yewura na duru ba bi na okasa e besre ne lawyer fo no se aya bene ne nkasa kakra bene ne nkasa se
Doma him se makano many countless times say this in some can me say bibi hano or you very bitter in something nobody has idea. We are there, we are crossing it. For that, he need to understand, and so it has been established. We are there, we are crossing it. Nehemiah crossing him. Doma imana we. Unyo hima ubebia. We are crossing it. It's already established, and nothing is going to change. We are there, we are Doma hine, and that is who exactly you are. You can't be more than that. Or try to be pia. Bunu nina na nkoma beshana sino. It's so funny to the extent say, minim the man agni say. The all a bit more possible, but out of ignorance and what they on not dream mono, or you be to say, or your rivalry to Santi and Santamaji Shabia, no, instead the castle will say, Mamma Chira, Miana Mebo Chiri, oh, but no Santina Smith, would not Miami. Whoa.
Opinion Cassia. Michio, therefore.
Major so,
Yea, or Henny, or therefore, no radio will my young kayakakra.
We came on a jar or Nichia. That sitting Kukunia Fiasi, the Biana, Yakona, Bana, a refrigerator crab film.
Yo,
Diana, me kind for
yo, or Henny, where dear, Monamo Beman, she am on my mamma money. Don't my Henny say, Otum for Casana, or no boy chili, some pants and seminal, and you say, oh no, or premise work as out, or no boy chili, but now one pem, no boy chili, nefe, some pants and seminal, me and blame more bang. Na Otum for Cassa, or man and lawyer for a man, no one church and some. Sounds some often say.
Yo, Michawano Tifuina. Doma him se makano many countless times say. This in some can say bibi hano or you very bitter in something nobody has idea. We are there, we are crossing it. For that, he need to understand, and so it has been established. We are there, we are crossing it. Nehemiah crossing him. Doma imana we. Unyo hima ubebia. We are crossing it. It's already established, and nothing is going to change. We are there, we are Domahine, and that is who exactly you are. You can't be more than that. In ideology say, or try to be peer. Bunu nina na nkoma beshana sino. It's so funny to the extent say, minim the man agni yene say, the all a bit more possible. But out of ignorance and what they in this day domahene kasemuno enyasa fo kasa nkwasi afo ne boy chiri nyesa 777
oh tumfo
enyasa fo kasa yeteno nkwasi afo ano omu ne be chiri no no twi no shedate o kasa hwene dimi na ne personality o de chiri o pre no ho aso be kasa no. You see, you are speaking to the audience and people around the globe. Ghanaians, and every, reasonable person will read meanings to your ways of pronunciation and your demeanor you speaking from, and clearly say or you're confused and bitter person. In his own thinking, not say. Asante hene asante hene ono so ye bono hene na dwene mu no that's how you see or you ma asanu ne who's a bono in it. And only something in it, and yes, I'm not doing that side, the picture, a church and his intino, or no abbreviano. He has been able to convince himself, say, or you're bunny in I him. And I no article also. Na Okasa Semana, a Rudo Radasem, na unse abbreviana, Doma Henibinya, politicians, be called Doma. Now, let me ask you one question. We young man are Obobra. And when I capital, I person we human. Person we investment in oh baby, we investment we nyesika. Ananya sanity. Enti enka ho, kumasi ho. Ena odem fa ne se bunu nyina ho. Ena isirimu ho, ena tagradi ho. As a business person as you are, and if I now professor be invest to sika.
My hair market, customers, baby, many customer Accra. Population.
However, no, Accra will be first preferred, adding here, because the capital values, no, yeah, Tima site, values, all the institutions, head office, no, I could incline. And because the way I say, you could, secondly, Kumasi the only region that compete serious with the Accra. In terms of population wise, no. Yeah, Shanti region, I'm talking of Kumasi. Shanti region, the NHS became a bit Accra. But Kumasi is only region that compete Accra. And a compete Accra. No. So as an investor, no. Would you love to invest your money? Oh, baby, she said, Doma, how are you going to get the money back? How? It will be the same how much you say. I'm a muna obuno. Sikabia be invest biano. That money is supposed to retrogress. I was say retrogressing in your back with profit net the investment different places. It is a investment being road, hospitals, markets, they invest somewhere the money can be found back with interest a bit me a day I had for a baby no person investment or baby I can acquire MBB. So what I say. For so saying, no interest a booming say investment call, but the person would then weigh two options, baby or ya obinya nisika. Okay.
Mate economics now you say mate economics nene reachability and say availability of marketing. As na me hwe yes do mahene no oni paramount bi asha na say te say do tun for amahene
said the entire mama di we ba mu ni say ono no ntiase mu no ohunu hu say oye a superior bi as I said, or have people around him, in China, Nipa 20 channel, and in his thinking, no, or convince on one, and he believe in convincing. He say that is how it is. As I'm telling you, and you know, I am sao a inheritance, yeah, or so by no, do a benefit, but service China. Only one, the woman about more than we did. I didn't make us a Antonio on my. Asanteni a country on its own, a country in a country. Intino, Sesena ya limited, Asantena limited the powers to be normal within the territories of Ghana. Na no be a Pena region, a Clement region, but Asantena is a Maya from Asantema. You understand? So, Asante Maino is not just, it doesn't end just saying it by name, Keke. One influence, Enuna, Domahina Bienzo, Bono, Asante Maino, Estendeba Bono Mo, Intino, and your coin be sooner. So, you're so funny, say, or something anyway, near so sober, or you're very good, or passing you too much to the stand, say, Domahina go on call for the BI hard and Bruce. He has become a laughing stock and the obstacle be out this table, but on cross that red line be sir.
Na the woman say the pine kaisesi ane say enka constitution make it clear say regional House of Chiefs be over complain and say issue or some of the call National House of Chiefs and take a bono regional House of Chiefs president who issues about chieftains in summer now pe Pomesibra, I also they call national. Nemo where they were trying my bam penny for be banner ho and I said the particular banner ho. Hona you become something as him. Only become mention.
Sir, the reason here or no. What am I gonna say? Or no, we need any positive message to discuss with those executives no macro. Main catch say always be no nimuno wa consuming no be negativity no e share so also can be into say anytime you bring your same way the man can me na meka no critical concept be just to say anything about Asante because someone or that's what he dreamt about, that is what he sees in his dream, that is what he plans, and he actually so I was at the beer when your opportunity be Obo Santimai and Santini no the castle. So what you imagine I say? I didn't know yes sir. Oh yes sir because sabi. Office on Santini Chumazo opposite one. Ono na dream mono. Or you be say or your rivalry to Santi and Santimaji she bia ono. You say the castle was say ma chira me na mebo echiri. Who bet no Santina so much. Who no my me. Who. Now catch them Mahama no bo Santina so much. Na Mahama na akasakra watu wono the number of years or the ruling of Ghana say Odi emefa ni say if all things be equal wako 4 years and was about 4 years 8 years now with me limited no utwa na Ghana for crass okay which I don't think so we go making it clear I can't be able to 2.5 years spend what it was another make me boy didn't you know who is Mahama to tell us something anyhow what to do or I mean, how? And your protocols, any assistant, and you'll be do be a day. Aman, what you say? So our constitution now, you say now, and Magana for Kotua by ye elect Mahama as a leader. And Yamahama no bona fide right, saying it to me, so an authoritative right to no. So to me, no, the framers of the constitution, no, almost say way back in Kwame Nkrumah time, no, they recognized Asante as an epitome of the entire nation Ghana. They knew. So they can never hide under any law for any circumstances. Say, you could obey the Doma, Henian Sementino, Mahama was going, Mama is then going to have right over Never. Asantefono is quiet, watching, looking, all because they are civilized in so many things as it stands now. And same way, I feel now be because they don't mind any, oh yeah, dear, so one day, we will be now quite to say, what come, what on only Munacha say, what on a level, so on the Michono. I said, in the previous days, no, many people in Fanamwaji, na, or 18. Abuaje oye half not na half scratch ton na omo de trog here adwuma osenes ba ye said or try so be create ganga no de trog no boss no mfifre tinenti what is said here kra na utwo na hu ne mfifre tineni tutu efri na woni ne koya akasa ayede nti ube ma ne chance no ayede no abesineko into where Yama Nadwinimuno, a developer Nadwinim seems to be a soon, Konam Kejeti at that time, no lose time, no, yes, see. Now, yeah, now I'm for be criminal, watching now, winner, Emribina, Yakushia or school parks, young Colabrimna, baby or Balki. You see, Boab watching Kukuno, so the mission. In Tiap watching on your catching the mother, a high Kejeti or high trog lane, aha. Me and you, 1 and 1 in Chirodu beat. So I say, Ubia is on Pata.
Any Abuaje Dini, no name so Abuaje, mpanyin se yebu be ma ese abuaje.
Tabe pepe. Inti no domahene no we osika ne nsem ni omfa bu ma ne akunwa ne ebunu man na nipa na omudi na chi ni I really don't want to associate themselves with him. In Jamana Gina and say or ye bema pa or not gonna no what I say because I didn't do in a ubi and fino. No, you know, ubi Gina say, but one day one will be feeling, but any pan will be feeling no. Ufina and 1 year until the man him to be.
And Uhe Chieftains Act no 2008. Ma something hini wait pa say something hini wom say oye hini de and so bro Paramount TV so ntu hwe o say asante
enye so wom so oye hini dio minya chas asante man no ono wa chekere ne man a ono na akwa gine man onye say wa tufu baby no wabetena ho wakuna magine man na wo develop ni crew and na opese wo develop wo crew and na waba na wo say yankamum na yakamum a because of superiority no na yo overlord of the whole nation yakamum kwa na nkoma je sana na gine o te na me chena se nana kwam twitwi no and yes, me kind of manukuki upa archives all the Ghana history archives wakunya stories no, and there was an agreement say Santimai ye kabuma obeyo efeni say monakra kina forever Ghana will recognize you. What you say? Santitia because of no pass from being independence no be a one hand in it. Almost a says okay, me the mind because some no munye under any colony. And you said the first soil in every it's over 400 years and you preserve sir you know Madeba. I be a Wagana before and Sana for me asante. And then could not get I make what I say. Omunyina ankunyina na yanketenkete inketenkete asante nebema ditina ne yakase na ahenye we beja asante enokre opa ne besi ne kura koye ene ni bia bakoye o mahimfi ebe kire o sere ratete no na ahenye na yakanete ahenye ni nyina no efri ba bia ye before inima ahenye efri ba bia efri bae eme de bae bae no omunyina eba no enam se no omufie nyina ewo ba bi fa ko a mutiti ya we tuka we fa nintino now they have the clue of ahinsem it be obi abetine bia no the way of worship intino we develop on the DSA na osante hene mo no osante mind die no ama because of tum time ba in the days of amansie time no way before fani say danger oti ase entino ohene erade basamu ahini ni begu ye na nana fani say buampo nsimu ebere ni ye na danger be fa ni piki no enema ehode ne katai kra amansie de no eso katai kra so wati ase nenso so no adansifo no anka omanu antuma omumu na santini sa free bae o tere me chana se sa to kon no mu free ho ekotena kwa amaya elewo yikumase no so entino asantino so ne da me no kase o santini man tiasi why na we santini mechi ya danse ba ekirese ho no munchi no ye die no eko yediko enadim
enye kokofu santi kokofu se tanti hemani wona opemso yi ni se onhwe kire kokofu hema
I say you pass kokofu aman say okay kokofu ni adanse ni nyina ye baby pap
yeah
omu nyina ya amanse boti ase inti eye busia se be kwai mu nyina wo mu but omu nyina wo baby pap ko omu nyina ya ayoko ana woni so omu ya ayoko
omu nyina.
Thank you. Inti me ka busia sem So what do you say? Na omuye saa ni nyina no na kese pa no omu nyini mpie enti enkopem sesante edi kekraka pa ni pie na ebeye kukuruku aye kese afi ahinkiti na no omodidi kan ni nyina obi a start say oyede usua sante asante ene beye ahenye hihye no ema ne ya akonoma ne ye fa ene minu mienu no nim sesante hene tena se o manhia kwa mfoso mu di nsem no Domahine obu ha or record or church or per se on the streamline and he says only he doesn't have the capacity. Internet near brain. The near brain and I say he want to set as Asantehine, whereby in Kamai any be in Kenak. On Intia Simono or Chirom Comfort or Munyansi. But there's no dialogue like that. A Burunisa Shenibi. Because there wasn't a bono and an any Asante. It was one territory. Under one control, come and come and be divided.
For administrative purpose, therefore, Western Asante.
West Asante, yes, and yes, Asante, and Afin Webu. This settlement has been in existence for over 400 years. And our culture is so rich. I is so organic, say. Untimi fabricate bi me yebi sa info bi organa almost bit but how are you going to do it okofa amai hene makoma be 70 okofa mo way we amai hene plus abrimpon over 50 something okofa mo way na ba na mo di krufo dem make what you say
hene me ba na me pese o na me pese mu se ahene mpo e fa lawyer sem ho e fa se wo sunya law ho ono nti asem no na me ka say ne nti asem no o combine no ma bebrebe nti na me kire o mu say ansa na Ghana e be ba na mo share no di bu o mo man nti na me jana say nti for them ahini is a separate entity from the institutional affairs in the Ghana which we all reside to Ghana the election every 4 years anamebwa ye de ne ntesa me Asantini but me fie ye ne de Asante akonya but I'm proud of Asante and whoever obtained the throne oya mi wura o de me kira say whoever ascend on the throne oya mi wura mi wura na kire say me ya Asantini a me fra Asante dwaben no me na nam no dwaben ene na so me na nam de dwaben akonya kase no tumi no abesha Asante ene ma Asante apagya animunyama bem because Asante amama ni nyina abom do mu tumi apagya ba kwa ni kese pa enti ye hye ye mu no sabi predua so na me ma na dwaben ni nkwatintin se nempo oto ne nsa fre na kofri kwan mu bi ntimi ntinsim because dwaben ni no dwaben menu Inini adiema Asante, we are Asantini, we are proud of no, because Ebesa offered the right proceedings and some yet may you in it. But they make what you say. So what it means in say Asante Mino, Omu Chichina for Omdo Mecheja. So what they mention, and Untinama, baby to say Brekum, baby to say Kranza, baby to say Effeni say fear pray, baby to say Effeni say Clubodom any say Quamono Ofuma Banda
said no seven bread as no young Kusifu. Then Kulama Banomon say I said Omudi are just following the hatred and in his speech keke. Omu yes because Kulan was saying no a soon masem. So one person soon need to me be a mood to Anva Kunyana and Kujana Adamo Bekono. We pay him much pasa. And Nuntina and Namoa, or Muhona, no Munide, or Musun, so Mu, dear anyone. Oh, Janibetua Sante. He's on Janibetua Sante say, O Muntin, Umumayo, Emu Ope, is see a mood what than watching on your day, on Panshi. What it means in the say, Omudo Mutia Besha Kunyana, said, Impo, so womb, Pufrimu, Omubia, Omudomachi, Jana. It has antithesis no the Krobia or Domino, Abusia Diano, Abusia Biano, Santina than any Abusiana would be say, Akunyana Santimai to me, nothing. There was something in the so muna muye ekuruma no mwana mukosi mu hene abusua no na muyi mu de hye na mu de ayede mu de aba na masamba jafra eye santi ne yi ni se de do ma hene ka no enye no kre
wan kan say wo so no tumfo ne nam me hu ebu ewo sa kasa dem wo so no tumfo ne nam
dabi wan chen yi wo si samba jafra no yesi ni menhia no no mo yem yensa ena be yi ba ko free mu ena be ka be enu no ho na di asem ne nam no na ahenie die se wo so yo hene a are na wo hu so de cheneye asini so ena mkrum hoda abodwa ahyefa ayeyi e ka nsem nyina oti ase na so wonye sa dia na je so wonye hene do ma hene expression of hene na je so zo obodwa so yeyi aso ahyefa nsem nso yo hene inti ono understanding in ahenie no eno no inti se onye sade onye ohene na ahenie no enye menhia ne yedi nemu yedi no yina omuna ombamu se oye ohene na onye ohene mse do mahene kasa ewo akanseti kasa onyu kasa onya akani minim se na dwene ye ne se ekuroma ne si hini o se de osi no modo I don't know come me one of those Doma people. So what you say? But so when you say abusua is you ma de hye mo di ekromo de woni pa de obo ha ono ye wo no to beti na kromo so mo nipa 1 million kwa no mo nya de hye o mo nya de hye enyom ni sine ahenie de tama mo ko manhia na omo yi nsem nim no omo chechire mu no obi a chire na busua dua emsie nyina itie bi what you say we Canadian na we Canadian na we Canadian obi abusua panyin ene gina wo Canadian ma no ene we na mo tena asem ni so enyo santin ni yi tamba jafla eye sampafo na yi no ena ono na ye wo hene okay otumfo yi ni we no mo se mo ntia se na mo de court ena mo be draw ye mo de court no ma be yi mo de letter no court no ma be yi afri ho na mo de court no ba na afi de court ebu asem no finally ena omubu we no so mo je court sem ayi no verdict ne ba national chief no on be gazette no ena ya wi enti sa constitutional right na ono do ma hin wa ofre no hu se oye lawyer judge no be court judge no meboa to me a constitution the man sa to me na declare Samajafla as the only so chief of Sampa. So what you say? And I would do what say minister no and I am going to say mona mo regime ho na me wan say mahama ko ho no otena city sem we nyina asem mahama no only security briefing about what is going on and there was no question to the mahene the mahama security briefing what is going on Bono and Sampa traditional area because mama is not on top of his job. Let me go what you say.
Yeah,
because must know it made to say no unti mejina manim na cause atrocities ni cows na mejina manim sign pretend they say act strange. They just say you are trying to undermine integrity and I say you don't respect me.
You ohene
because
yes okay yes ye di adre de achia ehone yahwe asu fra doma eye wan pa mu hene hu sensem de yes ye kasa ade beche visa koye bitterness otan bi o mu ne santefo dada enya bunofo nyina na me do wase piece so wajemre na yenhwe brekum aho aheni hu sem ne duan konta hu sem kakra na otwe twa mi opem so hye brekum
sana ye beko brekum no mame rap doma dewi na ye me 1 abia me de rap na enye we be 1 minute
okay
doma hene ni hye ne nkasa ne ye ne su ne bai no me de wapa futu ono batu wapa futu na minim se empenfose abasoba enema ijapa intino wo ka se de be obema ntra be nukre na I think say it's time I was said meeting squarely na put the position baby ujina piece of me and say beboa inti to abrekum dia so
yo ti opemiswa hye brekum ma hema ne mpanifo brekum atena konya se omom na watwemi no na watwemi no beso kose da ben dia na wakafa ho na afi wuni bebe fa duan konta so ho sensem na konya sensem na so dia ka ho
yo I felt the same brekum nana mushia ya na sentimentals in mihwe bi na nse brekum de honsem no nana ni free mu no ya chekaka because of manson kitingiti bia na wo na mpanin say so on baby ufra baby a wokoda because idua no ni hini no esifie na ne mran no ekwa abonten enu ntina hinsem eye afisem no enya abonten so sem nti ya inda bia idua na se no na ya na yetena edi yen hihye na media me huni sa ahini bebia mentim ho ase de ewum because I pray na number eso so no akonya to fia obi a pra kwale ma mi side ana meboa so what it means they say ebeto ho no adesimrantie no me de semiti ase a emse me ensa ena de omadis omode omo show interest omabdo omo nsa ba abehunima ohima so omo nyina ya adehye into omode bae no so why dey waje na oje ya efeni say kunti hine no nze kunti hine no meboa ene ono no gina ba ko achi enya amamre enya asante akan amamre nya asante nkwanya akan amamre de mo kimekes no mo ni kwase mo show mo interest e obi bia so upo obi asem kura na oyi wani hye obi no wachi amana kwankyere se omfa ne nsa nkodwa ato a wona na asomisi ho na na nkosrema because you are part of the kingmakers so what you see when is an say ani empese efeni say conflict of interest be dey ebebem serebe ya ebeto ho na se nipa nse na kingmakers no wasim bi kafa wo ho a enko ese ye de ama Charles na memempe me kandi me bi ase Charles de ama na ohima yi no onyana ya na abeda abe me media enu nti no o interest kra na nka wiweni be we de ohima na pa kire se odi ba kwanim before some beba menche kra no ohine country ni ye demonstration okrum a ono na gina mu so e baba panyin na ne afika ma osa me feel say brekum ye kra omo ye enipa omo any negative records be omo ni bad name bia very humble people do ahini ba mentime ho aseba e ba bia nye brekum kwa na me mesre se omo adwebre emra na ohima kan sim bi se otu country no akonya so ndi onye ne country bim na wa se we ifro kra good we sante hene ka chen se onya abotre no munko sisi no mu wia simbia o ha no maka emse o tibi entino me makuma so ade ne se ombe ma ha ayeboko na asumdwe aba na sisi no Ghana constitution no ade ba ko a omudi Ghana funya ekosumo wiye se aban no se on akonya bia ewo adibimemu bia no ewo omo hempon a omo ekosre akonya ne di omo hyehyeye na omo ko na efa ba ko enya na waye di onya aye no ne be obunyina adom se odemeka wate ase na waye omo dom na otikuru kwentia to abo ba park ne so saadie no eye enu ni the only solution a yebetimi o se tackle free ho enye omo nko a politicians ni so yebi politicians no so say nipa no go contest na say ne party wo mu no when your flag bearer leader na also I go contrary to party corona or can no na fi ensem fata no ke kafa party no na fi edidi atemne kasentwi abem me fi say e was a constitution edition say the moment ya obeji atum say wo ko party we contest no ulusia untimi anti-independent bi sana hinietie sa ujitum sa wasem no yenko kano Bruno House of Chiefs ni ekawia untimi ntweda arabia sa ujitum si yenko kano ochima himfi na okọ ne ekokawia ho ena nana muhia edi omuhye ekasem sa opese yem kana menhia nye be kana menhia wia menhia chi no uko gina be bia ya nanam aban me enchiu enka peace kap echiraju on the politicians no omo should be woman intino omo ka omo no atumi ko breakum die aka mamre mu no ohiman pe ini na de hie ohiman pe don't forget say kontre ni akwamu ni chiamen omo nyina omo nya abusuafo so nim za de amu mebusuafo na nanu chichiri ni kru wia ne kru ni yekese no abusua bia wo kru mu a ohwe se mo betimo besom ni ade no tete no na o mabo akunwa amam ni ebenyi asa nkunwa ni nyina amu nya ade hye we ade hyesem akunwa yi de ade hyesem enu nti no wo kontre ni akwamu ne ohini bia wo ka ho bia chiame ni whatever no enye mu na mu ye king makers mu ye ekron decision makers then so no ohima ni decision we no de amaja ase de abrem mu na nam na mai dai ni bakwo ezemu wo na no ti na ananu sembia na mato to because no na ebe ya adwuma na mo so mu de ibi kwa na mo ni krum ho de na no ye ne san se mo so mu firi krum mu ti krum obi enti bia na mo bibia na no onye dai onim amude sa kwadu na edai abana kwadu no yawo a certain mfumso bia enipa no ebe na ya se na miensan se na ya se ofuma no bia odi na enyi neno no munya bi kura bona ohima na ne sa man ko yi ni pafoforo musa nya bi bona ohima na sa another chance obi third one eno ena e was a constitution no establishing a family because society dia enye busu apanyi na ekoyi na meme de hie na mempe we na umpe we na ade na mempe we na house enye busu apanyi is not in your power to elect or select any of your relatives who are royals to become the leader enye in the interest of a busu apanyi no but in a situation where ohima na omi oni nyina antiase no then a busu apanyi play role na play no only a man penny for movie on a day. A place a rule, no? So what you say?
Matthias,
only man penny for a movie, Ontino. So by him, our dear is only him and pet, and to bring him I or no, any the only person. A mamre consul, a cessel queen edition be back. We need this year bar. Control, Aquamu, Jasio, Manre, why, Nansana, or Nama Jasi, Najasi de Abichram. Sana is sanity. It is a more than one same beca, Mobon Quadu, Achro Himano. So when one same beca, and yet, no Himano, Mutamako, Mako, Namako endorsing, the Amano, Aina, or the same Achre, Lincoln so for. We are also akochire kru no na fe se o dom santia of kokosia chenura but I can kru no bi wo a o san kire na tram kunya no o san kire kru no wi a eno ana nasa because omuni a leader like Asante Kingdom ni geni because Asante memo no Asante ni pe ana aka memo no Asante ni pe and the overlords of many parliaments we are or some of the best any panny and mine, dear, we are feeling that all back is you. So ɛno nti no yɛyɛ akamfoɔ yɛyɛ dan a yɛyɛ akamfoɔ na kasa bi wɔ hɔ a sɛ ɛho nyia sɛ nkwalaa na mmarima na abɛmu na atɛm didie kasa bi wɔ hɔ a dɔmahene kasa ɔka bi nsɛ wɔ sɛ tampahene no ɛsi dɔmahene ɛbɛtumi aboa me na de hene nso mpɛ sɛ ɔbɛboa na adamfo paa no ɔka saa na ayɛ mesu ne hwendorɔ kasa bɛɛ no come on sɛ ɔkasa wo sɛ ɔyɛ typical green dodo and ɛwɔ sɛ yɛ policy ɛyɛ kan kasa bɛt kasa bi wɔ hɔ a yɛwɔ kasa a yɛdidi nkɔmmɔ ne yɛwɔ kasa a yɛkasa ɛwɔ badwam ɛna yɛwɔ kasa kora ɔhene nso ka sɛ wate aseɛ enti berɛkum bɛsɛm a wɔkan no ɔmoma asomdwe ne bɔkɔbɔkɔ mmra na adehyeɛ no a ɔmɔdi bie yɛyie no yɛmfa ma de hye kan ɛnyɛ deɛ ɔwɔ sika medeɛ sɛ ɔwɔ sika na ɔna aduru ne so a perfect na mmom sɛ deɛ aduru ne so no ɔne sika na ɔne die yɛyie a mesrɛ no yɛde n'akonnwa ama no akonnwadie ɛyɛ dɔkɔtoo ɛyɛ nhyira a ɛwɔ abusua biam a nanam de dom ɔmo nana no ɛnɛ santehena da roma wama ahennie ayɛ akɔ no first akonnwa bɛtɔ a na amanfoɔ dwane ɛna mekɔ asɔle na mempɛ na deɛndeɛn santene si daabi ɛnyɛ nokorɛ ɛna wokɔdi akonnwa a wobɛwu yɛbɛku santene si nyɛ nokorɛ agye sɛ wotwa ntorɔ sɛ wotwa ntorɔ deɛ a na ade nada akɔgye obi agyapadeɛ deɛ ɛnyɛ na wobɛtumi awu na sɛ nokorɛ paa sɛ woyɛ de hyeɛ deɛ akonnwa no ankasa bɔ wo ho ban sɛ wate aseɛ nti no berɛkum deɛ ne deɛ yɛnhwɛ ɛbɛsi Sunday bɛ Monday na santema ntena aseɛ ɔmode bɛba but Monday woyɛ nim ɛyɛ kyena no sɛ ɔtumfo program bi wɔ Accra wobɛba nkran abɛyɛ speech bi nti the following Monday no ɛna ɔmode nkuro 9 ɛna ɔtumfo sɛ ɔmo nkɔyi ɔmade hyeɛ ɛmɛkyerɛ no na ɔka ɛfɛ ne sɛ dua nkwanta sɛ ewiase wei na ayaba no ɔsantehene ɛno nti ɛfrɛ no nyame kɛse no dua nkwanta story no ɛyɛ so spiritual amanfoɔ nhyɛ damfoɔ mu ne akyiri ɔhu sɛ dua nkwanta nnipa no yɛ mmiɛnsa na dua nkwanta no ɔhemaa no akyi so ne nnipa baako yɛsɛ ɔyɛ hemaa no nwia ɛna abusuapanyi sɛ ɔno nso mpɛ ɛfɛ ne sɛ mpene ma ɔhemaa no nwia no nni na ɔno nso so wɔ ne wɔ paase bi wɔ hɔ a ɔno nso yɛ dɛ ɛpɛ n'asɛm na baako ka ho baako no deɛ obiara nyina n'akyi in fact kyɛ sɛ wohwɛ mu koraa ɔno ne obiara kyɛ sɛ ɔno deɛ anida sɛ ɔni baabiara nti ɔmo bɛma nhyia bi a ɔno so ɔdi akyire yɛ dɛ ɛbɛ bi nti ɔyɛ de hyeɛ ɔyɛ kuroba ɔte aseɛ na ɔsantehene tena ase no a ɔtoto wɔ ma no no ɛna obisa ase ne nnipa dodoɔ sɛn na ɛpa akonnwa no deɛ ɔma bɛsrɛ sɛ ɔmo pa akonnwa no akyi ɛna ɔhemaa ne sɛ ɔmoyɛ mmiɛnsa ɛna ɔsɛ mmiɛnsa no abusuapanyi yawe na ɔsɛ abusuapanyi yawe na abusuapanyi sɛ ɔno nso so obi a ɔpɛ no ɛna ɔsantehene sɛ na baako na ɔka ho no ɔno nso hwan na gyina n'akyi ɛna ɔhemaa ne sɛ ɔno deɛ obiara nyina n'akyi ɛna ɔsantehene sɛ ɛnea me nso megyina saa aberante saa na me na meka ne saa kɛkɛ sɛ wate ase ɔhu sɛ yɛse obi wɔ sɛ medimafoɔ ne menyame sɛ sɛ wohu ntɔkwako a Nyankopɔn wonyɛ dɛn ɔnko bi ma saa young boy no saa young boy no adehye branteɛ a ɔsantehene sɛ ɔmomfa no nsi apatami ɔbaa bɛyɛ akyɛ deɛ no mu nyinaa de ba no nyinaa wonim de nti a sesei no ɛfa ne afa nka ɛna ɔno no pɛ ne gyina mfimfini nti ɔbɛtumi akɔ ha ɔbɛtumi aba ha na deɛ a wahu ni no ɛbaa bɛkyerɛ ne nyansa paa ma na hu sɛ wiase sɛ onya twɛn honhom a Onyankopɔn hyɛ wɔ animuonyam mpa ono oba menhia wa ma menhia se on de onim se ya nya ade a ye wemienu ba ko ne ye be kan ye yi ba ko but nenso meko ejanse me ye de hye se na oba no na oba ma tuntun a ye twena ye de abeto ne so intino santehene ekwan wo faso a wo ye ne noma nani a ode hwa ade eni sunsun mu ba bi o no ma firi no ihu ni se o nyame kese ampa so ati asie nyame kese na yen ye ka no amamfo se na ade ne efe no to se tu nyame kese din ye kasa e de wo wa ye hene nyame kese no nya bible kasa o ini bible mu ya santi kasa e kire se obi a osombo maye
Nagaze
obi osombo
nagaze ohenkase ne yesuman
ba jawo se
na ne yesuman ani
sapepepe na ne yesuman ni na yen de sa in manyankopon because obi ede ne tutuna adi bu nyina so a yede ma hen yede manyankopon dis o tese efre obi nyame anase otumfo a enya heaven castle obo se asantefo mo from hin otumfo ye kasa yen asantefo ye kasa no a yede frɛ ye hene na nyankopon obi ani midi obi amu ya wo se on di de ono ani de ono o se he is who he is o se me intino wa mo ni din Jehovah ibi frɛ Jehovah ibi frɛ no God ibi frɛ no edi bebebe yen frɛ ne otumfo enu nkyerɛ sɛ nyankopon di otumfo ne ye yen o se tu FNC the first ni from as otumfo so ekire se omo ye utulifo tumfo ne asante ka chese oye utimfo ese okaso obe ya dia obetimi ayede aye mane keke so na ye dia ba bidu ba bia yedri entino osante hene na botre ene na botre ena ama no ma bebre o a na ye we chire ya ne ha ye se enka onye bibi na nka bet mi fi se ye ni ye adwene ono asum bi no pa ma santimai ni Ghana mai bebia ebono say ya no santin na be kan more than doma ni so bunu ni asase wo so ti ebono to kosi wa santin no mpenisa because the nana mo obi bribi into on wish se bi boni biens emu doma hene na o create confusion obono mai mu ho nyina extra na odenya wotre obenya ohini bi wo ha obe rise against no wa equally ebe manajai simu na wodi no because se mekanisa na mekanise die oye no odi ntitimu na ebe di mani eni ehihye yimu ntino me de me hu ni se omwa nyobi a oboa omwa hwe
yo ohene kase a wo ben menhia so wo bibi ka twato na nkedi ene dwumadi aba na wiye
yo de me ka twato ni se ebi mine ye we hihye ye kwan fa so ye no ma ena yen ebi fo no asempia obeka kire panyin ni so oti akunwa so onti akunwa so obi a wonyini chen no na ye no me na ye sasa ni dohi na sen hukum ene sede doma hina da roma enkola kaseti ahemfo akese na obo mabaso na ochi omukutupa no binim se eno na tomentina amane kasa ibibribi na ade bia obeya enya adepa no na ayekukutri ne susu adaye so atiasi ayekukutri ne susu adaye na mesu metu ni bebi se ya enhwe kasa yi kasa niye ankoye sudi amaya ankoye ahawni no me amaya bidi ya brabo echi bize mekaka mekano
yo ohene ebedo wasepi na ebesa ba onchen na ebeti de bekoso brekum ahini nsem na ebeba onchen abeje ho information
abepepe emendra why yo
channel so ene ni papi na ne di nkita ho enti obi kaka sebne sa anya woda wo akwanya sa wo so baba so na wabɛtenetene kasa no anaasɛ wabɛkyerɛ wadwene bɛka abusua ho subscribe like video no na share ma pii na so enya bintie anaasɛ omunya binhwɛ medase
ene yahia yura Charles ndio sese wa meeting nko ade meet Charles show tie tuwa share no subscribe bia no no wagina so ye no wati asem ni ye na de bia to kotodwam